Hi, in the following video we're going to quickly demonstrate how you can install the Enmotus VirtualSSD server for Linux onto a running CentOS 6.8 system. As you can see, I've already logged into the system here, and the other thing I've already done is copied across the single file installer. Now the first thing you may have to do is make it executable. It already is in this case, but just for safety's sake or illustration, I'm going to add the +X, change mod +X to make it executable, and then we're going to go ahead and install the software. This usually takes usually 30 seconds to 45 seconds or so, and there is no need to reboot the system. We install a service package, a number of utilities, and driver modules, which are modular drivers that just drop into the running kernel here. No need, of course, to prep the kernel. This is a totally modular-based system. Okay, so we've completed the install. The only question we need to answer here is whether we wish to install Java, as it's not currently installed. And in this case, we're going to say no, because we actually don't need to install Java, as we're not running any desktop configuration. We do recommend, of course, you do install it if you're running the desktop, so you can see some of the utilities running live on the system that we also provide. So you can see ecmd --list. This is the first command we're going to run to check all is good. You can also type ecmd --status. Those are the two commands you tend to use most of the time when checking up on the system, and we can clearly see there are no fuse drives installed. What I'm going to do here is create a fuse drive, and we're going to use the two available disk drives up here, B and C. B we're going to use as our slow tier, and C we're going to use as our fast tier. So I simply type /dev SDC, make it the first in the list, and then /dev SDB to make it second in the list. Hit enter, and we create a brand new virtual disk in the system. Notice we're not layering like a cache would on top here, for example, or any other kind of system where you're doing look-aside. This is a new primary disk that we've added to the system. You will see the old drives now have been marked with the by our software with a little right arrow there to indicate we've captured them, and this is the new disk in the system. In this case, we created a full tiered device, so we're adding together the capacities minus a small amount of overhead, and there we have it. There's our new device, and we can now go ahead and treat that EBA device as any other disk drive in the system, and it works with pretty much any software or LVM in the system here. Thank you.